Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Tahir Skills Panel. Today we will review what is the role of filter in Excel, how to work filter, how to apply filter, how can we get benefit from the filter. Microsoft Excel is a very good program. We can take a benefit for normal life. This is very useful. We can maintain our many things, accounts, other things. How to apply filter, you can say, for example, this is one sheet and in this sheet I have many items to display. If I want to search some of these items, we can use filter. For example, you can see here we have almost more than 300 items, and more than this, how can we find out some items from this sheet and we no need other items? We will go, for example, I can apply here. See here, we can select this row. We will go here in filter section, we will apply filter. Now you can see the filter applied on all sheet. Here in all these points are from filter. Now we want to check what is the character, what is the role of this. For example, you can see this item. We can cross check here item. For example, in this column you can see here this is a CV, this is other, again other, empty, CV, other, CV, journal, many things in this column, and we want to check only and only CV. We no need other and MS and some other journal things. What we will do, we will come here to click on this item. Here we can see all are selected relevant items. We will check, unselect, then we will go to CV. We will select and we will apply this filter. Now you can see in this column we have only and only CV items. It means all CVs and other things now in this sheet. Other items disappear. Now we will go and again we will unfilter here. We will select all, and you see now other items also displaying. Now you can see other items. Same like here. Now we can check through department. We can apply filter here. Come to department, click here, unselect, and now we want to check here. See here, this is QS. We will click here and we will find out only all these related to QS field. All the documents only for QS department. Next, again we will go back. We will select all, and all are working now. Now we can select here, for example, in the same row we will check unselect. Now we will check here civil, CVL, it means civil. We will click here, all related to civil. See this department column, only and only here you can see all related to civil. All items are displaying here. Same we can go again for one other practice. We will uncheck and we will check here like a telecom. We will select this and we will apply. Now see all the telecom related all items are showing, and other all departments now disappear. It means hide in this. This is the filter. We can check only and only those items which we need to review. Other items we want to hide, no need to hide, just go and filter, and we can apply for in many sections in one time. For example, if we apply here, next row we can apply here, here, in all date wise and number wise. You can see here also. For example, this is RC transmitter number. Now we will apply here. This is for coding. We will go here. Here are many codes, many things. We will check, uncheck, and we will select only and only number 4. For example, I select from them number 4. I will apply. Okay. Now see this only number 4 are showing here. From all the big sheet, just number 4 it is. It mean, I think now you understand how to work filter and what is the role of filter. How can we get benefit? For example, there's a huge sheet and we need only 2-3 lines, relevant lines. We will go to filter, apply filter, and we can check only and only those items which we require. I hope you understand this related video about filter and all these related to other things. Thank you very much to seeing this video. Best of luck.